So, this is Time IIT Foundation, Venkat MD Director. So, in this video I will discuss with you IIT Foundation, so mathematics for class 8 it is. So, for 8th class mathematics syllabus, for 8th class IIT Foundation mathematics syllabus, I will discuss with you in this video. So, in detailed explanation I will give you, so each and every part, inner part also I will discuss with you. Now, here in 8th class mathematics IIT Foundation if you observe, so totally there are 17 topics are there. So, 17 main topics are there. So, under these 17 topics again subtopics also there. So, each and every one I will discuss with you. Okay, for each and every topic, in these 17 topics, for each and every topic, so we have practice questions it is. Under practice questions there are two types it is, test your concepts, concept applications. Under practice question there are two types it is, test your concepts, concept application. Under test your concept there are three types of questions it is, very short answer type questions, essay type questions it is. Under concept application there are three levels, level 1, level 2, level 3 it is. So, after completion of each and every topic, so this you have to do. So, you have to do practice this. So, for all this, so I am discussing with you in online course it is, complete online course it is. Okay. So, in this video I will discuss with you the complete syllabus it is. So, topic 1 it is. Topic 1 it is real numbers and LCM and HCF. First topic is real numbers and LCM and HCF. So, under this real numbers and LCM and HCF there are subtopics again. So, types of numbers, what are the properties of numbers, block diagram of number system, what is the units to digit of x power n, divisibility rules, LCM and HCF. These are the subtopics of so real numbers and LCM and HCF it is. Now, second topic is here, squares, square roots, cube and cube roots it is. What is the second topic? Squares, square roots, cubes and cube roots it is. So, under second topic again subdivisions are there. So, properties of a perfect square number, square root of a perfect square, properties of a perfect cube, cube root of a perfect cube, square root of a decimal number, cube root of a decimal number it is. So, under second topic again these are the subtopics it is. Now, the next one is third topic, indices it is. Third topic is indices. Under indices again here four subtopics are there, laws of indices, exponential equation, radicals, exponents and radicals it is. So, under indices there are four subtopics it is. Fourth topic is polynomials, LCM and HCF of polynomials. Fourth topic is polynomials, LCM and HCF of polynomials. Under this polynomials, LCM and HCF of polynomials again 8 subtopics are there. 8 subtopics are there. 1. Types of polynomials with respect to degree, addition of polynomials, subtraction of polynomials, multiplication of two polynomials, factorization, so division of a polynomial by a polynomial, HCF of given polynomials, LCM of given polynomial. These are the subtopics of fourth topic it is, 8 subtopics are there. Now, the fifth topic is formulae. Fifth topic is formulae. So, what is the subject of a formula? What is the framing of a formula? So, under formulae we have to discuss two subtopics it is. What is the subject of a formula? Framing of a formula it is. Now, sixth topic is ratio, proportion and variation. Ratio, proportion and variation. Under ratio, proportion and variation again here 8 subtopics are there. What is ratio? What is the simplified form of ratio? How many types of ratios are there? What are the properties of ratios? Comparison of ratios, proportion, types of proportion, principle of proportion, variation, types of variation. These are the 8 subtopics under ratio, proportion and variation it is. Now, the 7th topic is percentage. Under percentage, there are three subtopics. It is convert percentage into fraction, convert fraction into percentage, comparison of percentage. So, there are three subtopics under percentage, that is 7th topic. Now, the next one is 8th topic. 8th topic, profit and loss, discount and partnership. Profit and loss, discount and partnership. So, under this profit and loss, discount and partnership, again here, so 5 subtopics are there. What is profit, what is loss, what are overheads, what is discount, what is partnership. So, these are the 5 topics we will discuss under profit and loss, discounts and partnership. Next, 9th topic, simple interest and compound interest. 9th topic, simple interest and compound interest. Under simple interest and compound interest, again there are 5 subtopics. It is what is principal or sum, what is amount, what is rate of interest, what is simple interest, what is compound interest, what is growth and depreciation. So, these concepts we will discuss under 9th topic, simple interest and compound interest. So, the next one is 10th topic. It is time and work, pipes and cisterns. 10th topic, time and work, pipes and cisterns. Now, under this time and work, pipes and cisterns, sharing of the money channel, sharing of the money earned, and pipes and cisterns. These are the two concepts, two subtopics we will discuss under so time and work, pipes and cisterns it is. Now, the next topic is 11th topic. So, time and distance. 11th topic is time and distance. So, under time and distance, again there are 6 subtopics are there. 6 subtopics are there. What is speed? What is average speed? What is relative speed? Trains, boats and streams, races. So, these subtopics we will discuss under time, speed and distance it is. Now, 12th topic is linear equations and inequations. So, what is linear equation? What is inequation? First, what is equation? What is inequation? What is linear equation? What is linear inequation? So, these are the topics we will discuss under 12th topic it is. Now, 13th topic is sets. So, how many types of sets are there? What are the operations on sets? We will discuss under sets topic. What is union? What is intersection? What is the difference of sets? All these we will discuss under sets it is. Now, the next 14th topic is statistics it is. Statistics. 14th topic is statistics it is. Okay, under statistics we will discuss what is data, what is class interval, what is class boundaries, what are histograms, what is arithmetic mean, what is median, what is mode. So, these we will discuss under statistics it is. Next, matrices. 15th topic is matrices. 15th topic is matrices. So, under matrices we have to discuss only order of a matrix. Order of a matrix we will discuss under matrices it is. Now, 16th topic is geometry. 16th topic is geometry. So, under geometry here again 4 subtopics are there. So, lines and angles, triangles, quadrilaterals, circles. So, the last topic is 17th topic, it is mensuration. 17th topic is mensuration. So, under mensuration we will discuss about plane figures and solid figures. So, for each and every plane figure we will discuss what is its area, what is its perimeter. So, for each and every solid figure we will discuss what is its volume, what are their surface areas. This is the exact syllabus of IIT Foundation 8th class mathematics it is. So, 8th class mathematics IIT Foundation syllabus it is the exact syllabus. I will discuss with you in detail each and every topic, so subtopics I will discuss with you in detail For each and every topic, again practice questions in the beginning of this video I discussed with you. So for each and every topic of these 17 topics, it is practice questions. Under practice questions, again there are two types. It is test your concepts, concept application. Under test your concepts, very short answer type questions, and essay type question. Under concept applications, 3 levels, it is level 1, level 2, level 3. So for each and every topic, this I will discuss with you. So in each and every video, from today onwards, you have to follow my video and like, share to your friend and subscribe to our channel. Okay. So